Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in on Slikhaar TV. Today I'm here in the chair on the other side of the world in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, in Tony's barber shop. We would like to use the Sidekick Spray for pre-styling. How much you can shape a hairstyle with some good handwork and some Sidekick Spray. Yeah. Add a little bit at a time, right? Yeah. Are you good? Okay.
Cao lên số lượng mới thấy được một ra thấp ở phía trước thì mình xuống.
Các bạn ta có cái một rồi đi.
Đúng rồi, đó là đúng rồi.
Yeah, it's very thick. Nice wave going on there. it takes a good effort with the blow drying. Yeah. I look here. And I just got this amazing hairstyle, and you pre-styled it with Vilain Sidekick Spray, and of course the new Vilain Blow Texture Powder. The good old Blow Texture Powder, but the new packaging. And you added a little bit, was it the gold digger wax, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It's amazing how it looks like there's no product in it, like it's just sitting like this. Yeah. It's amazing.
First we visited Singapore, then now we are going into Vietnam, where we have one of our biggest distributors. So follow us on this epic trip. We have around 4 days in the city of Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. Half an hour well spent, so turn it on your television and watch.
An hour in the airport and we are ready to take off. The flight was only 2 hours and 10 minutes. We quickly headed into a cab after the airport, and since Ho Chi Minh Airport is just basically in the town, it was a fast drive to the hotel. Here we have it. Oh, let's rewind that. We are just turning on the lights and taking off the curtains. So this is a beautiful corner hotel room with a nice view over the city. Emil and I just love this skyline view. This is a nice effect. Walking backwards, you get this telescope effect in the windows. That's a fun fact. Okay, let's go out and explore the city. Now I hand it to Emil.
We're going to the meetup place to make a small video to hype the event.
The meetup place is at the walking street, Nguyen Hue. And you can see in front of the space here we have, it's the opera you see here, and the Ho Chi Minh statue monument. And Emil is editing some video for the meetup. And while we were at it, we ran into a huge launch party for the 1664 Blanc beer. And we discovered there was an entrance, so let's go check it out. We had to jump a fence, but it was worth it.